everybody, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Its review rating is 8.2, which is the excellent. Room category 1. You can see on the screen room ratings like size, bed types, highlight, facilities, amenities, and amenities, etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Category 9. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this resort, 9 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is first class and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you like this topic, in this hotel, you can drop a comment or to gain a bit more details about this property. Please read description box. If you have visited this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, till